Dallas homeowners know that managing heat, ventilation, and indoor comfort is a year-round priority. With long, hot summers and mild winters, choosing the right window style can make a noticeable difference in how your home feels and performs. Awning windows are an excellent option for many Dallas homes thanks to their compact design, tight seal, and ability to provide ventilation even during light rain. If you're considering adding or replacing windows, here are the best rooms in your Dallas home to install awning windows, and why they work so well in these spaces. Kitchens. Ventilation where you need it. Most kitchens generate heat, steam, and cooking odors daily. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining comfort and indoor air quality. Awning windows are ideal for kitchens because they open outward from the bottom, allowing fresh air in while deflecting light rain. They can be installed above countertops or sinks. They provide strong ventilation without taking up interior space. In Dallas, where cooking combined with summer heat can quickly warm a room, awning windows help release hot air and keep the kitchen feeling fresh. Bathrooms. Moisture control made easy. Bathrooms need effective ventilation to reduce humidity and prevent mold growth. Awning windows are perfect for this space because they can be opened even during rainstorms, a helpful feature in unpredictable Texas weather. Their compact size makes them suitable for higher wall placements, allowing natural light and airflow while maintaining privacy. You can also add frosted or textured glass for additional discretion without sacrificing brightness. In Dallas homes, where humidity can linger, awning windows help maintain healthier indoor air. Basements. Maximizing light and airflow for homes with basements, awning windows are a practical solution. Their outward opening design makes them easy to operate in tighter spaces. Because they form a tight compression seal when closed, awning windows also help prevent drafts and water intrusion, especially important during heavy Texas rain. Adding awning windows to basement spaces increases ventilation and makes lower-level rooms feel brighter and more inviting. Living rooms. Pairing with picture windows. Awning windows work beautifully when paired with larger fixed picture windows. While picture windows provide expansive views and natural light, they don't open for airflow. Installing awning windows below or alongside a picture window allows you to enjoy stunning outdoor views. Improved ventilation. Energy-efficient performance. In Dallas, this combination helps balance light, airflow, and comfort throughout the year. Bedrooms. Controlled airflow and security. Bedrooms benefit from fresh air circulation, especially during cooler evenings. Awning windows offer ventilation while maintaining security. Because the window opens outward and locks tightly into the frame, it's more difficult to force open from the outside. Even when slightly open, the angled sash provides a level of protection. For Dallas homeowners, this means you can let in a breeze without compromising peace of mind. Home offices. Reducing heat buildup. With more people working from home, maintaining a comfortable office environment is important. Awning windows help release warm air and allow fresh air circulation without creating strong drafts. Their energy-efficient seal also prevents excessive heat infiltration during peak summer temperatures, helping your HVAC system work more efficiently. Why awning windows work so well in Dallas. Dallas weather demands windows that can handle heat, occasional storms, and shifting seasonal conditions. Awning windows are designed with tight compression seals, durable vinyl or fiberglass frames, energy-efficient double-pane glass, low-E coatings to reduce heat gain. These features help maintain consistent indoor temperatures while minimizing energy costs. A smart choice for versatile placement. Awning windows are compact, functional, and adaptable to a variety of rooms. Whether you're upgrading a bathroom, brightening a basement, or improving kitchen ventilation, they provide dependable performance in Dallas's climate. By installing awning windows in the right spaces, you can enhance comfort, improve airflow, and increase energy efficiency throughout your home, all while maintaining a clean, modern appearance.